Amandla! 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 Yabona into ezofanele iyekwe ukuloku sikhalela abantu abamoshwa African National Congress. Kuzofanele sibe khona siulungise noma ke sesingasala sibe bangaki. Kodwa leadership ayiphele lento yokunesa abantu abasebenzisa uAfrican National Congress ukuwela imfula abawenza ibridge kanti bangenela ukulungisa izinto zabo. Ayiphele lento yokuthi umuntu kube clear nje ukuthi akahlangene noANC ufuna ibudget yama contract. Because ileyo nto ebulale uANC ukuthi niyawubulala nini uqobolweni bese nibuya nizokhala ngezinto enaziyo ukuthi anifanele ukuzenza nezinto ekufanele enaziyo ukuthi kufanele nizenze ningazenzi. Ake sibe yileyo African National Congress esasiyiwona sibe ingxenye sibe ipulse yama communities ethu. We used to be pulse of communities. We used to walk tall. Uzibuza ukuthi abantu bayangibona yini ukuthi uANC. Today uyazibuza ukuthi yini bangibonelana ukuthi uANC. Akusenzekelanga is because there is some of us, there are those people abasebenzisa uANC ngokubona ukuthi ibona kufanele bakhuphuke bathi masebe phezulu egqumeni balikhahlele iladi angasakhuphuka uANC kukhuphuke bona. Kuzofanele sibuyele ma basics. Kuzofanele ukuthi mawufuna ukuyoseva uhambe uyoseva uANC usungaseveka ke nawe. Kuzofanele abantu mabekhala bakwazi ukuthola mawukhethelwe esikhundleni sokuthi ube yileader, uyikhansela, uyimember eParliament, uMEC, uminister, ukwazi ukutholakala mawumuntu weANC. Ungabizo you know thina sasine nosithembiso labanayo wonke labantu beyuseni babalayo. Sasingabuzwa masokama election ukuthi sivelaphi ngaleso sikhathi lawo ama region ethu. Sasingabuzwa ukuthi how senila nivelaphi because we were always there. Kwakumgomo wokuthi leadership yeANC ama council every week uzobuya uzositshela sasihlangana njalo ngomsombuluko and give the report, weekly report, hayi monthly, ukuthi wenzeni as a leadership, weekly report. So asinabanga nalo ibhadi lokubuzwa ukuthi sivelaphi, sasithi masifika bathi hayi sanibona. Ingakho sasuka ko 49% saya ku 67%. Ile leadership. Abantu namanje are not hating ANC, they are angry. The first thing we're supposed to do is to humble ourselves and sivume license ekhona into wrong. But singagcini lapho siyicorrect. Mase siyicorrectile sihambe ngendlela elungile. We shouldn't fool masses, go there, apologize and you go and do the same thing again. Because it's njalo. Sicabanga siyababluff abantu. You can fool all the people sometime or some people, but you can't fool all the people all the time. Can't. Kuba nesikhathi labantu bathi siyakubona lo ubelethe iboni lo. And bese bayahlala bayakudedela uhambe wedwa. Ucabanga ukuthi bakhona uhambe wedwa. Hayike kulungile kunesiphithiphithi ezweni kulezi insuku angifuni ukukhuluma ngaso. Kodwa ngesiphithiphithi nje. Manje lesisiphithiphithi into engihlupha ngaso sinamehlo. You know, eWestern Cape last week kuredwe imizwe u26 yabantu amantshontshe 1.2 billion kwisithi yase-Cape Town. Amaphapha awakhulumi ngabo. 1.2 billion. Athule nje. Nama-TV ayengekho mabeyoreyidwa. Awatshelwanga ama-TV ukuthi siyoreyida abantu abawu-26 ikhulu zedolobha lase-Cape Town. The best people, I'm told. Hayi, akuwona oqala lo 1.2. Kunomuntu lapho boshiwe okuthiwa uRalph. Oyisigebengu ngakazi usibona. Obethola wonke amathenda ase-Western Cape, wonke athola kuyena asesigebengwini engakazi usibona. Kuthulwa akakho umuntu okhuluma ngalezo. Ajabula belungu. Yezwa. Bajabula. Size sicabanga ukuthi bona kuthulwe. Angazi yini inkohlakala ibe nombala. Make yenziwa umlungu inuke kahle. Thula. Kodwa ke kulungile. Nathi uThixo obuya ngelinye ngazosibheka. Ngimzwile nikhuluma ngama elections. Asenenyanga nama elections. Ake nenze nje ake ningakhulumi ngama elections. Ake nihambe niyokwenza izinto ezizobona abantu ukuthi anidingi ukukhuluma ngama elections. Basibonele. Nizenze lezi zinto ezama branch ANC. What's wrong ukwenza izinto esasizenza nihambe niyoqoqa udoti niyoba ingcenye yabantu and then amakhansela amaningi by the way eThekwini awe ANC. So you have a right ukwadonsa ngengalo. Nizobuthi, you know, I was driving 3 weeks ago. Kwakune celebration yesonto iKCC. Ngabizwa ke eKCC ngiyokhuluma sakusonto. Mangibuya ngidriver kwaSikwa Masho. Uma sisicela uMangcobo uthi why kunomfula kulomgwaqo? Kuqhuma isitamkoko samanzi aclean nesitamkoko sikadodi. Liphi ikhansela? Kuyageleza umfula. Wes ingane ezidlala kuona. And I'm very sure ikhansela le-ANC lapha. I'm very sure. KwaSikwa Masho. Angazi what bani. 40. Yeah, I'm very sure. Uyabona yekeni lokukhuluma soyikhuluma but ake nenzeni izinto. Ake nibuyeleni kuma basics, ake nibe ningcenye yabantu, ake nibe ningcenye nibe ipart yabantu on the ground. Allow abantu ukuthi banithuke. You go available and face the people. But because mabengathuki nina bazothuka uANC. Kanti manje ithuba lokuthuka nina uANC bazobona ukuthi usilungisile thina nangu ANC. Angikholwa mina lento ukuthi uANC is gone and is finished and is not about to be. The only thing fanele senze indlela zethu zilunge. Sengivala. Asingavumi kube nabantu ababe yizitha ngalesa sikhathi. Umsebenzi wabo manje esokureversa ihistory bacishe ihistory kaANC. Bese siba ingcenye yabo nathi. Sibasiza ukuthi benjalo. Kunabantu abaziyo nje ukuthi kwi-apartheid. Uyabona ayikho into engiphula umoya. Ayikho into engiphula umoya njengokulalela uGunevald engitshela ukuthi ngubani mina. uGunevald was a part yaseKwaZulu-Natal. Today, finally minister and all, but he can't tell me angizubaleka uGunevald then ngibaleka uGunevald now. No. We must just say enough is enough. You stand up, you work hard and go and defend the African National Congress. So defend ngento embili ngokukhuluma nangokwenza senze izinto abantu abazokhumbula ukuthi nangu uANC esiwaziyo. Ke nisiyeke nanokugila imkhuba nanzi izinto ezizokwenza abantu base South Africa basidinelwe engathi no ANC anina ANC la. uANC inheritance ifa lenge nofica la nushiye la so uphatheni kahle njengey'khali zamantungo sisonke. Asambeni-ke sobe kunathi. I'm told ubekwa ngesonto le kwaMbonambi. Ke nikiyeke okunye ke nivale indlebe niyeke social media noyifunda emva kwesonto iyawuphula umoya. Bayekeni bakhulume sesobuye sibuye sizobheka okwamanje but okwamanje walk tall bantu bakamthetho. Awusazi namhlanje ukhona obalile. You know, akuqalanga by the way ngoJulius. Kwaqala ngoLomisa. Wantshontsha UDM, United Democratic Movement. Kweza uThera. Uphi uThera? Kweza uThera. Wantshontsha iCongress of the People. Bonke nje bayidephunele nje bayithi nani ke ningalandeli amasela. Ake niyekeke ukuntshontshwa. Nani yekani ukuntshontshwa. Hlala nekhaya makunenkinga siya noma ngabe izindlu ezodaka kusekhala silungisa izinto zethu. Lo African National Congress kufanele sireporte ngawo kulithuli. Lo African National Congress owethu kodwa kuwona owethu kakhulu owengane zethu kakhulu. Ngakho ke ugcineni uphile niyeke ukwenza izinto.
This is the same man who was fired as police commissioner after a damning public protector report accused him of improper conduct in a $1.7 billion lease deal. The same man who's been linked to questionable political dealings, and yet he stood at Mthethwa's memorial condemning corruption as if he were an angel sent to clean the ANC's sins. The crowd clapped politely, but South Africans watching online had questions. Social media exploded with comments like, Beki talking about corruption? That's comedy. Is he confessing or deflecting? He's been part of the system. Now he wants to sound holy, but let's be fair. Maybe Cell wasn't trying to cleanse himself. Maybe he was firing warning shots inside the ANC. His tone wasn't gentle, it was accusatory. He said the ANC must return to its values or perish. Could this be the beginning of a political repositioning? A sign that Cele is distancing himself from the same corruption he once defended? Or is it just another strategic move, a public performance to polish a damaged image ahead of political storms brewing inside the party? Because make no mistake, with elections around the corner, every speech is a move on the chessboard. South Africans didn't hold back. The irony was too rich to ignore. Many reminded him of the brutality under his leadership, Marikana, the Phoenix killings, the crime statistics that continue to rise under his watch. And yet there he stood talking about integrity and moral decay. Narrator, the question isn't whether Beki Cele was wrong about ANC corruption. He wasn't. The question is, does he have the moral authority to say it? Or has South Africa reached a point where even the corrupt can call out corruption, because it's just that widespread? Beki's words might have sounded righteous in Pinetown, but the people know better. The truth is, this speech wasn't about cleansing the ANC's soul, it was about positioning and power. Because in the world of South African politics, everyone preaches justice, until the spotlight turns on them. Was Beki speaking truth to power or just washing his own hands before the storm? Can a man accused of corruption truly lead a fight against it? And is this the start of a deeper split within the ANC's old guard? Comment below, I want to hear your thoughts. If this story hit home, help us hit harder. Subscribe to Skybridge for more investigations that demand answers. Drop a comment, tap super thanks to fuel the next expose, want to go deeper? Join the channel for just 14 rands per month. Cancel anytime. Your support powers the journalism others won't touch. This isn't just content, it's a call to action. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you on my next upload. Bye.